Last week, Ashley, Conley, and I attended ACC 2023 in New Orleans, where we networked with top cardiology professionals and explored several key players in the space, and new and growing companies making a change in cardiovascular care.
And of course, we had to properly get acquainted with the city by enjoying only a few beignets, as well as a big bowl of shrimp and grits.
Yes. The growth of the cardiovascular devices market size is expected to reach nearly $86 billion by 2028, and is driven by the rise of chronic heart diseases. This provides the momentum towards higher adoption of technologically advanced cardiology devices for both diagnostic and surgical purposes, which we saw at the show this year.
There were a few main technology trends that stood out during the show. For example, artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to improve monitoring for several heart conditions, better and more efficient diagnostic devices, as well as software for improved disease prevention and management, with some companies establishing new gold standards of care. 3D patient solutions and continuous advancement of technologies used in minimally invasive procedures over open surgery.
Some noteworthy companies to highlight included ReCor Medical, who actually just released their third consistent sham control clinical trials that had awesome patient outcomes and demonstrated that their Paradise ultrasound renal denervation system can safely lower blood pressure and be used as an effective and adjunctive therapy for hypertension management.
VitalSight by OMRON Healthcare. OMRON, having been around 50 years and are the #1 blood pressure monitors in the US, have recently transitioned from being a solely monitor at home to software as a service with their VitalSight, a full remote patient monitoring program focused on eliminating heart attack and stroke across the US and more. We even got to hear their VP of Digital Health and Software speak about how these therapeutic platforms are able to provide actionable data for both patients and clinicians that result in better overall health outcomes.
Awesome speech, definitely. Next, there was a ton of buzz around Cleerly, a company creating a new gold standard of care for heart disease. They just recently closed a Series C financing round of $223 million. Their AI algorithms generate a 3D model of the patient's coronary arteries, identify their lumen and vessel walls, locate and quantify stenoses, as well as identify, quantify, and categorize plaque, even vulnerable plaque, able to catch disease very early, even prevent heart attacks. Very excited to see the future for this one and the improved technology for prevention, the future mammogram of cardiovascular disease prevention.
Wow, that is really, really cool.
Yeah.
Some other strong companies influencing this space ranged from Kestra Medical Technologies, a company providing a modern approach with patient-focused design and advanced technology for wearable cardioverter defibrillator systems. ACIST Medical Systems, a growing leader in cardiovascular diagnostic solutions, who are improving the space by automating the process, minimizing the risk of contrast-induced acute kidney injury for coronary catheterizations, and saving overall contrast costs for hospitals. Their CVI is in over 50% of cath labs across the US already. Kaneka Medical, with their newly developed liposorber system, indicated for adult and pediatric patients with nephrotic syndrome associated with FSGS. And lastly, Axial 3D, a company using the power of AI algorithms.
AI again.
I know. To provide surgeons with accurate, affordable, and fast 3D visualizations and 3D printed models to improve surgical outcomes.
Cardiology medicine is one of the fastest and most evolving spaces in MedTech. The market should sustain strong growth with high demand for these devices and more. Most key players are anticipated to show robust involvement in research and development initiatives, which we saw, I think, throughout the exhibit at ACC, with many companies either waiting on funding, just closed funding, or pending 510K or FDA approvals. And in case you missed anything, comment or email me below. We're looking forward to next year's Cardiology Buzz.